getting some really, really exciting stuff on the go. When I originally started my Facebook group, I only created it for 6 to 20 ladies. I never thought about what would happen once there was, 300 live video posts, and how you would then get about to find the content that you want. So for many months, I've been contemplating how to fix this issue, how to make group more user-friendly. So this is what I've decided to do. So main group will house all of the subgroups and the topics of discussion. So when you pop in a main group, at the very top in the announcements, it will have each of the subgroups and the topics of discussion. So what that does is if you're coming to main group and you're looking for recipes, you can click directly to the recipes and find that. If you're coming into group and you really need help with your mindset, you can click on the Mindset Matters group and find all of the information there. The very first subgroup is the recipe box. So from now on, any recipe content is going to be on the recipe box subgroup. Then we have our Mindset Matters group, and that is going to be for all the deeper side of weight loss. Newbies group getting all built up called What is Keto? And we're going to be able to use that for easy reference. Think basic, simple Keto 101. So if you've got friends and family who know nothing about keto, and you want them to have a little fun and learn a little something, that's going to be the group for them. Specific bariatric group, so that we can have a subgroup for all of my bariatric family, because things are slightly different for us. Our portions are different, our macros are different. Sometimes it's startling for the regular eaters. The last subgroup that I still have yet to build, we're going to do something about customizing our keto. So it's going to be the more advanced keto, things like fasting, intermittent fasting, 1 meal a day eating, biohacking, doing your own research, going holistic keto, and being able to find all of those things. It's going to give us just a quick one-stop pop in where we want to go.